Welcome to Lispy Kitchen. Today we are going to make a delicious and creamy Kerala style green peas masala curry. This is a wonderful side dish for rice, chapati or parathas. So please go through the entire video. Please subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon to get notification. So let us go through the ingredients. For making green peas masala curry, we have to use 250 gram of dried green peas. Soak the green peas in water overnight or for 3 to 4 hours. Here we use 2 onions which are roughly chopped, 6 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of grated ginger, 6 green chilies. Here we require some spice powders, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of fennel powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tomatoes chopped, few curry leaves, 1.5 cup of coconut milk from 1 cup of grated coconut, few coriander leaves, water, salt and 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Rinse out the green peas well and pressure cook them with water till they are soft and cooked through. Now we are going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Now add the onions, ginger, garlic, green chilies. Saute till the onions are soft. Now onions became soft. Remove from heat and let it cool. Grind them with some water to a smooth paste. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add curry leaves to it. Make low flame, add the turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder and fennel powder to it. Mix well. Add the ground mixture. Let it cook for a few minutes in low flame. Add the chopped tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Cook till the tomatoes are softened. Close with a lid. Now tomatoes are cooked well. Now add the coconut milk. Mix well. Add cooked green peas. There shouldn't be no more than a cup of water. Drain if there is more. Let it cook till all bubbles up. Garnish with coriander leaves. This one is a super delicious and creamy Kerala style green peas masala curry for parathas, chapatis, idiyappams and rice etc. etc. Try. Thank you.